mind before you go. Walk out my life, I'm on the before you go.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I had to pick up the camera for this channel in a bit, but you know, might as well, because I'm trying to get more consistent with posting, and also I gotta stop coming on camera looking like I just woke up, because I didn't just wake up. Anyway, so as you can tell by the title, it's just a little weekend or whatever, and hopefully, like, you know, it's an entertaining weekend because we're supposed to get some snow. It's gonna be cold, it's gonna be bright outside, and I wanted to go to my friend's house, but that might not work unless I go today. So I'm going to work that out today because I really want to go over her house and be snowed in with my buddies. Also, do y'all like the new intro? Because I love the new intro. Like, that's besides the point. Yeah, so it's just my little lazy little weekend. And I do have a couple of things to do. I think I have a couple of things to do this weekend. So we're just gonna, you know, play it by ear, let the weekend go, just do, you know? And I'll see y'all in a bit when I pick back up the camera. Alright, y'all, it's finally time for me to leave. My bag is packed. I got some shoes to wear, you know. And I'm about to go now to my friend's house, so I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. I think I'm put my hair in a ponytail, but I don't know. See y'all when I get over there. Yeah, I'll see y'all when I get over there. I made it to her house. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello, sir. Very good.
She's making me tilapia and white rice. You spent some time away.
On camera. You gotta plug it. Roll it up and put it back.
Excuse me. Alright, check. The hairstylist is in the shower. Since it's 12 in the morning, it's like day 3. But yeah, we got a lot done. We just got this much left. And my hair poofed up from the shower because I just got out the shower. I actually have to separate the hair and put it over there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Hair's finished, but she put the dog in timeout. Putting the dog in timeout for making a mess. You shouldn't have made the mess, lovely.
Now what you gonna do when I open this door? You gonna run as fast as you can. You understand? Because you better go. You better go on.
I'm in the house, guys, and I'm on the phone with my best friends. Not drop the word. And I'm planning my 18th birthday. It's her 18th this year. I don't know if I showed y'all, but my hair is done. Joe, are you watching me?
Huh?
Are you watching me? Thank you. Okay, cool. Cause
Why you do that?
do what?
Let me get my phone.
I was asking if you were watching me because I was being weird in the camera. So. Alright, y'all, it's the next day and I'm just gonna end the vlog off right here because there's not much left for me to do for real. I have school tomorrow, so literally the snow day weekend is over. I have a 2-hour delay tomorrow and Friday, so they should just cancel school, but they ain't gonna do that. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please click like and subscribe and comment down below any videos you want to see me do in the future. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.